scientists! Welcome back to Nova's lab. Scientists learn about the world by doing something called an experiment. Today, we're going to test what happens when we mix oil and water. Scientists ask a question, make a guess, test it, and see what happens.
Thousands of years ago, curious people tested ideas by mixing plants and natural materials to see what would happen. They poured liquids, stirred them together, and carefully watched to see how the results changed. Others studied the stars, measuring how they moved across the sky and writing down what they discovered.
Before we start, scientists wear safety goggles to protect their eyes. I'm wearing my lab coat to protect from spills and splashes. Wait, super safety reminder. If you try this experiment at home, make sure you ask your grown-up first. Our question today is, what will happen if we mix oil and water? My guess is that the oil and water will mix together. First, we add the water. Now let's add the oil. Look! The oil floats on top. That's right. Oil and water don't mix because their molecules are different. See? Water molecules stick together, and oil molecules stay separate. Whoa! The oil layer stops the water from mixing. Today we learned what an experiment is. We asked a question, made a guess, and tested it. And we discovered that oil and water don't mix. Thanks for visiting Nova's lab. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome science content.